everybody. Today we are going to cook a very easy recipe that is a octopus in sauce. We need 1 nail of garlic or small onion or scallops, and sage, thyme, olive oil, tomato, pressed tomato, or whatever you find, and of course an octopus. Here is our base that is melting. Then we need the sauce that is mashed tomato, about 3/4 pound. We add thyme, we add sage, okay, the sauce is boiling, so we take our octopus. This is 1 pound octopus, about. We make the tentacles retire. And here we go. For the cooking time, you start looking at, I'm for cooking the octopus not too much. I mean, I cook it for an octopus of these dimensions. To me, 15-20 minutes are fine. I found recipes, there are people who keep the octopus in the water also 50 minutes. So to me, it's too much. I'm going to test it in 15 minutes and we will see. 15 minutes are passed and we test our octopus. Super soft, super soft. Also here. So we turn off the gas, the fire on the stove, and let him get cold into his sauce. Our octopus is now ready. Oh, bland and ready. And wonderful. Buon appetito.